Spinal taps are challenging procedures. You have to advance a needle between two vertebrae through a dime-sized opening, and really all you have to figure out where to go are your hands. The current technique is archaic. It's also extremely inaccurate.
We incorporate an array of tactile sensors that, when pushed against the patient's back, allow the physician to visualize the underlying vertebrae.
The idea was, what if we could bring blood chemistry testing directly to the home? I envisioned the core reader as part of your morning routine, touching the cartridge to your arm, putting it into the reader device, and walking away. Within 5 minutes, the core data goes up to the cloud, where it's acted on by our algorithms. Then that data gets returned to your smartphone, basically as a way to give people access to the tools they need to take control and take charge of their own wellness.
Urologist Tom Lendvay has long been an advocate of warming up before performing robotic surgery.
I've been practicing for 10 years now. I still can benefit from improvement. I still ask my peers to come in and individually shadow me if there's time. There typically isn't any time.
No time. That's why he and his colleagues came up with a crowdsourcing platform that within 2 to 3 hours gives surgeons and other healthcare workers performance reviews. It might surprise you who can do the evaluating. Anyone.
1 in 8 women will be diagnosed with breast cancer by the time they turn 80.
Santina has developed a patented FDA-cleared technology that allows physicians to obtain multiple high-quality samples with a single insertion, while maintaining the low cost of spring-loaded tools.
Our tool features a small ergonomic handle that does not require any capital equipment, resulting in a faster and easier procedure.
We are inventing the first medical device to treat vaginal atrophy. On the one hand, there's over-the-counter lubricants and moisturizers, but these products are really insufficient for the severity of symptoms that these women are enduring. Medora is changing the equation because we've created the world's first medical device to treat vaginal atrophy. It's completely non-hormonal and non-invasive.
Around the world, 1 in 4 people will have a clinically significant mental health problem in any given year. Care for this population is characterized by high costs and low availability. SilverCloud enables health systems to provide their clients with online psychotherapy.
VTEX Medical has developed a novel venous thrombus removal platform technology focused on deep vein thrombosis and pulmonary embolism. DVT is the third leading cardiovascular disease after heart attack and stroke, affecting 1.2 million patients per year. The VTEX approach focuses on separating the clots from the vessel wall at source through this novel self-adapting cage. VTEX Medical can become the gold standard treatment for those suffering from DVT and the first choice treatment tool for interventional radiologists and vascular surgeons.
We are committed to developing clinically meaningful products and services to improve health outcomes. We're initially focused on asthma, which is a costly and common chronic disease, affecting over 300 million people worldwide. Our solution combines passive measurement of key physiologic indicators of disease control with management services targeted at delivering timely, clinically proven interventions.
Our product is a disease management platform. We have a proprietary wearable that tracks key physiological parameters from patients with chronic diseases.
In the last 3 years, our team of experts in biomedical engineering and machine learning have developed this technology that I'm wearing now on my wrist. Managed to put it in a form factor that can go hand in hand with an active lifestyle of the patient.
There are 3 billion venipunctures around the world every year, and nearly all of those are done blind. We are taking the blindfold off forever. Our patented single-stick adapter puts imaging at the tip of every needle, enabling first-time, every-time vascular access.
My name is Jeff Nosinow, and I am the founder and CEO of vSense Medical Devices. We are using NASA technology to scan vital signs from across the room without any physical contact, connection, or instrumentation on the patient. Our product automates the time-consuming process of manually measuring vital signs and entering them into the EHR all day and night.
We're excited to tell you about our company Prediction Bio and how we're looking to fundamentally change ICU medicine using precision care. Right now, there's no way for physicians to measure or monitor their patient's inflammatory response. Our technology, Microkine, enables physicians to measure their patient's immune response in less than 30 minutes from just a single drop of blood.
1 in 4 IVs is accidentally removed. This causes the patient to suffer, having to get another needle stick for a new IV line.
The orchid valve is the solution. Designed to attach using existing lures between the extension set and IV tubing, the concept is simple. If tension occurs, the valve breaks away and seals off from both sides. This revolutionary connector eliminates unnecessary needle sticks and saves the hospital thousands.
Current standard of care, static plastic brace only saves 1 in 3 girls from scoliosis surgery. With the dynamic spinal alignment brace, we can provide forces opposite that of the scoliosis. Our goal is to literally change the shape of the vertebrae back to normal. Pressure sensors within the brace can give us real-time daily feedback to ensure that the correct forces are being applied at the correct place.
How are you feeling today?
Like roadkill.
I'm sorry to hear that. Would you like me to send a message to your team to see if there's anything they can do?
Yes.
We are able to help patients stay on their treatment plan while keeping their healthcare team informed.
Pulmonary embolism is the 3rd leading cause of death in the U.S. We're developing the first fully absorbable IVC filter for the protection of pulmonary embolism.
We are in the business of changing how wound closures perform today. Our solution, a polyurethane-based adhesive, fully biodegradable product platform, is used to develop 2 products. Cutis, to close wounds of the skin faster, more accurately, and with fewer complications. Vivo, it shall be used to stop the bleeding and reinforce suture line.
We are taking surgeries into the future. We developed a smart surgical system that will increase safety in surgery, reduce X-ray radiation, and facilitate minimally invasive procedures.
The visor allows surgeons to see the patient's anatomy through soft tissue and skin, just as if they had X-ray vision. Using our patent-pending technology, we are able to project the patient's anatomy directly onto the surgeon's retina.
Each year, 1.36 million new patients are diagnosed with colorectal cancer. Most patients receive colorectal surgery, with the #1 complication being anastomotic improper healing. Patients need a way to quickly recover from their colectomy. Physicians need a way to avoid anastomosis complications. Payers need a way to reduce cost and maximize patient outcome. Colovac implantation has the potential to significantly reduce anastomosis and ostomy-related complications.